In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring invoices in Zoho Books. This process is a fantastic way to automate your billing and ensure that you don't miss any invoicing cycles, especially if you have clients who are regularly billed for their services. So let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to the Recurring Invoices section in Zoho Books. Begin by looking at the left sidebar and clicking on the Sales module. Once you're in, select the option titled Recurring Invoices. To start creating a new invoice profile, click the plus new button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. This will kick off the setup process for your new recurring invoice. Next, let's go through entering the core details for your invoice. Start with the customer name. Zoho Books allows you to pick an existing customer from your list or add a new one right here. Following that, decide on a profile name for your invoice series. A clear and specific name, like Monthly Services Contract, helps in identifying this profile easily. Then comes the frequency setting. You need to choose how often this invoice should be generated. Options range from weekly, monthly, yearly, or even a custom interval, depending on your billing needs. Additionally, set the starts on and ends on dates for the invoice cycle. If your billing doesn't have a foreseeable end, remember to check off the Never Expires option. Now let's move on to adding item details. In this section, you'll specify what you're billing for. Select the products or services that pertain to this invoice in the item table. Enter the quantity and rate for each item, and Zoho Books will take care of calculating the amount for you. If your business involves billable hours from specific projects, you have the option to associate these unbilled hours directly with the invoice, making your billing even more streamlined. After setting the items, it's important to configure the payment and notes for your invoice. Here, you'll define the payment terms, indicating when payments are due, whether that's upon receipt or within a set number of days. You can then add customer notes or terms and conditions that provide additional context or specifics for your client. Moreover, you might want to explore the payment options. Setting up a payment gateway enables online payments and also allows for automatic card charging if your client's details are saved and auto charge preferences are set. Finally, once you've reviewed all your settings and details, it's time to save the profile. By clicking Save, you activate the recurring invoice profile, and from this point on, invoices will be automatically generated and sent according to the specifications you set. This automation not only saves time, but also helps maintain consistency and accuracy in your billing processes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively set up recurring invoices in Zoho Books, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional service to your clients while ensuring your billing is always up to date.